Top 10 mistakes to avoid in technical interviews. Technical interviews can make or break your career opportunities, especially in today's competitive tech industry. Even the most qualified candidates often fail not because they lack skills, but because of simple mistakes that are easily avoidable. From preparation errors to communication pitfalls, every detail counts. In this video, we will explore the top 10 mistakes you must avoid in technical interviews. Following these tips can drastically increase your chances of impressing recruiters and landing your dream job. 1. Can you tell us about yourself? One of the most common mistakes candidates make is giving a long, unfocused answer to this classic opening question. Interviewers are looking for a concise, structured, and relevant summary of your background, skills, and experiences that align with the role. Avoid rambling or diving into unrelated personal stories. Instead, use the past-present-future framework. Briefly explain your past experiences, highlight your current skills and achievements, and finish with how you want to contribute to the company. This shows confidence and clarity. 2. Not understanding the job requirements. Many candidates fail because they don't fully understand the job description or technical expectations. It's crucial to study the requirements carefully and tailor your preparation accordingly. Focus on key skills, technologies, and problem-solving areas mentioned in the posting. Not doing so may lead to answering irrelevant questions or demonstrating the wrong skill set. Research the company's projects, tech stack, and industry focus. Being well-prepared shows initiative, attention to detail, and genuine interest in the role, making a strong impression on interviewers. 3. Poor problem-solving approach. In technical interviews, solving problems isn't just about getting the correct answer. It's about demonstrating your thought process. A common mistake is jumping straight to coding without analyzing the problem, planning an approach, or discussing potential solutions. Always take a moment to clarify the requirements, ask questions if needed, and outline your strategy. Talk through your reasoning with the interviewer, and consider edge cases. This shows critical thinking, collaboration, and an organized approach, which are often more valuable than the final code itself. 4. Ignoring time management. Candidates often struggle with managing their time during coding challenges or whiteboard exercises. Spending too long on one part of a problem can leave other sections incomplete, which reflects poor planning. Use a step-by-step approach, understand the problem, plan your solution, code, and test efficiently. Keep an eye on the clock and adjust your pace when necessary. Communicate with the interviewer if you need to prioritize parts of the problem. Efficient time management demonstrates your ability to work under pressure, a crucial skill for any technical role. 5. Overlooking basic concepts. It's shocking how often candidates forget fundamental concepts, especially under stress. Technical interviews frequently test basics like data structures, algorithms, complexity analysis, and object-oriented principles. Failing to demonstrate mastery of these basics can raise doubts about your technical foundation. Review essential concepts thoroughly, practice coding exercises regularly, and revise commonly asked questions. Even if you know advanced topics, weak fundamentals can cost you the job. Interviewers value candidates who can confidently apply core knowledge to solve real-world problems. 6. Lack of communication skills. Technical expertise alone won't guarantee success. Many candidates make the mistake of staying silent while solving a problem or providing minimal explanations. Interviewers assess your ability to articulate ideas, collaborate, and explain reasoning. Narrate your thought process, justify your decisions, and engage in a dialogue when needed. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings and demonstrates professionalism. Remember, interviewers often prefer a candidate who communicates well and shows problem-solving logic, even if the solution isn't perfect, over one who delivers answers silently. 7. Not asking clarifying questions. Another critical mistake is assuming you understand the problem fully without verifying details. Technical interviews are designed to test problem comprehension as much as problem-solving skills. Always ask clarifying questions before diving into coding. Confirm inputs, outputs, edge cases, and constraints. This shows attention to detail and ensures you're on the right track from the start. Candidates who skip this step risk wasting time or producing incorrect solutions. Thoughtful questioning signals a careful, thorough, and professional approach that impresses interviewers. 8. Focusing only on coding. While coding is essential, Candidates often make the mistake of ignoring system design, architecture discussions, or behavioral questions. Technical interviews are multidimensional, assessing coding skills, problem-solving, teamwork, and design thinking. Prepare for all components. Practice coding, understand design patterns, study scalable architectures, and be ready to discuss past projects. Ignoring these aspects can make you appear one-dimensional. Showing versatility and depth demonstrates that you're not only capable of writing code, but also contributing meaningfully to the team's long-term success. 9. Neglecting test cases and debugging. Submitting code without testing is a critical mistake in technical interviews. Many candidates overlook edge cases, fail to consider inputs that could break the solution, or ignore debugging altogether. Always run through sample test cases, check for null values, empty arrays, or large inputs, and explain your testing logic to the interviewer. This attention to detail demonstrates thoroughness, problem ownership, and reliability. Employers highly value candidates who write robust, maintainable code and proactively check their solutions instead of relying solely on luck. 10. Being overconfident or defensive. Overconfidence or defensiveness can ruin an otherwise strong interview. Some candidates react poorly to hints, feedback, or questions they don't know the answer to. Remember, interviewers are assessing not only technical skills but also humility, adaptability, and growth mindset. Stay calm, admit when you don't know something, and demonstrate willingness to learn or think aloud. Accept feedback gracefully and attempt alternative approaches when prompted. A positive, open-minded attitude leaves a lasting impression and often outweighs minor technical mistakes. Avoiding these 10 common mistakes can dramatically improve your performance in technical interviews. Preparation, communication, and mindset are just as important as coding skills. By understanding the job requirements, practicing problem-solving, managing time effectively, and staying open to feedback, you can stand out as a confident and capable candidate. Remember, interviews are as much about showcasing your thought process and professionalism as they are about technical knowledge. Apply these strategies and take a step closer to landing your dream tech role.